So now with our Juice Shop up, I want to go ahead and open up Burp Suite. So go over here and open up Burp Suite. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting up a tool called Foxy Proxy. And Foxy Proxy is going to allow us to easily switch in between proxies. And I'll show you exactly what that does. So remember from way earlier, we set up our proxy. We had to go into here, go into preferences, scroll all the way down, go to the network proxy, click on manual configuration, hit OK, and then the proxy worked. That's a lot of work, especially when you want to, close Burp Suite and then you have to go back and you have to do this over again just to get out of the proxy settings. So let's go to Google and let's just type in Foxy Proxy and we'll download it. It's right here, Foxy Proxy Standard. Get this extension for Firefox. So go ahead, click on that. And then once it pops up, we're going to go ahead and download it. So add to Firefox here. Should just take a second to add, and then it's already added. So just like that, right here up in the corner, you should see the little fox with the red circle through it, or red line through it. We're going to go ahead and go to Options when we click on that. And we're going to hit the Add button over here on the left side. And we can title this Burp if you want. And then I just give this HTTP is fine, and then we can just say 127.0.0.1 port 8080, and then we'll go ahead and just save this. And now we can turn this on by just clicking on this, clicking on Burp, and then we proxy should be intercepting. Now all we have to do is refresh Juice Shop, and now we've intercepted the proxy here, and we've got everything ready to go. So in the next video, we're going to explore Burp Suite and take it further from where we went in the beginning of this series and really get into the weeds with Burp Suite and understand what it's fully capable of. And then we'll start exploring different sorts of attacks. So I'll catch you over in the next video.